YouTube? Eric DIY here with another great review for you today. We're going to review the UBeesize 51-inch selfie stick tripod. When you get into YouTube videos and creation and stuff like that, you can never have too many tripods. You might need a smaller one, bigger one, based on what you need. So I wanted to get this UBeesize 51-inch selfie stick tripod because I wanted to use it as a tripod. The actual selfie stick part I wasn't really too concerned about. The UBeesize seems to fit that niche that I was looking for. They market it as a selfie stick, but this is basically the whole tripod all scrunched up as a selfie stick. And this is the tripod, and they market it more for cell phone video, which I also wanted a tripod for, which is the main reason why I got this, because I want something where I can use my cell phone for less formal shooting. The UBeesize tripod also includes different things that they give you that help you. This right here is a cell phone tripod adapter. So it just clicks in and out. It's highly portable. And you put your cell phone in there. The adapter is made of metal too, so it's gonna survive. It's not a cheap plastic one that you usually find. They also include a Bluetooth adapter, if you will, and that's so that you can have a quick click for the camera on your iPhone or Android device. They also give you a standard GoPro type mount adapter to go on top of the tripod. So if you did want to use this with your GoPro, you could, or any other camera that has adopted that type of style there. You have a nice carrying case and the tripod itself, which on top just has your standard 4th-inch tripod adapter there. To basically make this tripod big, all they have is these little clamps right here. You just pull them off, you expand them out, and just lock them down. It's that easy on setting up the tripod. And then on the bottom, they have a standard tripod base. You just loosen this up, pull the legs out, and lock it down to where you need it. This is the tripod fully assembled, and it's a little over 4 feet tall at its tallest there. They have this little loosener right here so that you could tilt this forward and backwards. And it has kind of a little locking position there too, which is nice to see, as well as the main thumb button here to lock it in to your camera. Here are the different sizes you could get. 13-inch if it's all the way closed in, 26.1 inches, 33.2 inches, 40.4 inches, 47.1 inches tall in 5 different sections. They tell you how to use it and how to make it a selfie stick. And the last thing that they include is the actual Bluetooth remote for taking pictures. If it doesn't respond on the camera app, then it probably is not compatible with it. The UBeesize selfie tripod is, it's pretty decent. It's not bad at all. It's definitely what I was looking for, something lightweight, something easy just to grab and go. Turns into a selfie stick, no problem. It's adjustable on the top. They include a lot of accessories, and most of them are useful. The only one I didn't like was this, the remote capture button, which seemed like a good idea, but they need to make it useful with the default camera app. The one that they told you to download if yours didn't work, that one was not that good because it had all these VIP, you have to buy filters, and I just want to be able to take pictures. So call me old-fashioned, but I don't want any filters on my pictures. It's nice that they included the GoPro adapter, so I can use the GoPro on this if I want to. And it's nice they included a nice little carrying case. So overall, if you're looking for a tripod that's quick and easy to set up, very lightweight, grab it out on the way out to the amusement park or something, or if you're going for a photo shoot or you're going for a hike, definitely, this would be useful. This would not replace the tripod that I use for my videos on a consistent basis. This is, again, more of a travel one. You're out heading out the door and you're grabbing it last minute, but it definitely will serve the purpose I want. I want it for using my cell phone for video, and also leaving this tripod that I'm currently using while I film this for the GoPro and other better cameras. If you'd like to purchase your UBeesize tripod selfie stick, please look for a link in the description below. We'll send you to Amazon where you can purchase your very own. Every purchase will help support the Eric DIY channel. We appreciate all your support. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, please give us a thumbs up and push that subscribe button below. While you're down there, also push on the bell notification icon so that way you'll be notified of future Eric DIY video releases. We appreciate everything you do for us. Thank you and have a great day. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.